A very short and sweet video today. It's one you've all been waiting for. We are going to remove, with a close-up, the stone from the wax. So you can see exactly how to do it. You need a scalpel and your little wax piece. So please hold your scalpel like this so that if you slip, you're less likely to do yourself damage than if you're holding it like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut around, sorry, it's having a hard time staying in focus. So we're just trimming up that bezel shape. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So you can see I was being very, very, very delicate. And I've actually managed to not really hurt that bezel. We will get our soldering iron again and just very gently so you can see that that bit there is a bit lower. So I'm gonna add in some wax to make it even. There's a hole just there, so we'll cover that up. And we'll just make that bit a bit taller. Just there. Okay. So now you can see that the stone will no longer fit in. But you know that you have enough bezel around the edge to be able to fold the metal over the stone when you get it back from your casters. It's not possible to sand cast a shape like this. You will have to send it away. There we go.